Myself Dr. Debabrata Behera. I am working as a consultant anesthesiologist in Padmini Care Hospital, Cuttack. I have joined here for 3-day ultrasound and fluoroscopy guided training program under Dr. Sabon Ratha and Dr. Devashish Jana. Here we have learned the basic principles of pain, how to intervene pain. Basic hands-on procedure are very good here. I recommend our further fellows who are trying to aspire in pain, mainly anesthesiologists who are trying to go for pain practice. They can come here and learn. It is 3-day course and it is tailor-made and it is very excellent also.